Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to open a padlock. So all you need is two of these floss and a toothpick on it, so it would look like something like this. You could use any kind of these as long as it is a floss and a toothpick by the end. So I have two of them. Sorry about the ball thing. Thank you. Let's just my neighbor upstairs. Okay, and you need a padlock. So here is a real padlock, but this one has a different lock. So the lock looks like this. You can see, lock looks like that. Better look. Padlock looks like that. You can see inside. Okay, it is very different from the other padlocks, and you could, if you have this kind of padlock like that, and you guys could open it by this. If you guys have like the normal padlocks like doorknobs or something like that, you guys will have to use two or four of these, because it is very good to use 4 or 2 of it, because it opens it right away. Then after, when you take it out, pull it out, after open it, it does open. I keep on trying this when I don't have my keys, and you know, I lose it sometimes. That's what I do. Then so I was trying. I keep on trying it for several times. After this is what happened. Yeah, so if this happens to yours, get another one. Okay, so let's begin. Take your padlock like mine. Mine's a different one like that. Put it like this part. This part. Don't put it this part because it won't work. Put it this part. If using this kind of padlock, please watch this video. After I watch another video for the next padlock. Sorry guys, the light of mine isn't working that much. Sorry guys, hang on, my light isn't working that much, so you guys have to stick with me. You guys can't see. Hang on, I'm just opening this light instead. I have 2 lights near the computer. I'm at the computer. And this one doesn't work either. There you go. You guys can see. Can't see that much. You can see the lights bothering my block. Sorry guys about that. If you guys can still see me, you know. So I'm just gonna block my view from it. So I'm gonna go this side. Much better. Okay, so get your padlock. Put this through this way, not this way, because it won't work. Okay, so put it this way. Up to just spin it. Spin it like that till you hear the snap of the lock. You can see mine did not snap yet. So I'm gonna keep turning it. I don't know why this doesn't work. And there, it snapped. And just like take it off, and you know, there you go. You have it open. So I'm gonna show you one more time. You can see it's proper lock. It's locked, really locked. After, I'm gonna show you it by the view here. So I'll put it in this way, not this way, because it will not work. Put it through this way. Okay, so I have it in the right way. If you guys have it in the right way, it would be like this. I'm gonna show you a better size of it. So here I'm gonna twist. As you can see by the bottom there. Twist till it snaps. So hang on, mine's getting tiny. Get twirled now. Let me get the other one. Okay, so once like so I'm just trying to get it in here and try to make it snap. So if yours is snapped, keep on doing it. It takes some practice. But if you guys could do it, comment it and send me a picture if what your padlock looks like. Okay, so here you go. You have it open, and hope you guys like watching this video. Bye.